My name's Carisa Cowan. I've been with Wellborn Cabinet almost 16 years. I come in at 4:30 every morning, and the first thing I do is I help a lady by the name of May. I take her to her job because she's having a hard time walking. She's fixing to retire, so I try to do what I can first thing in the morning so she don't have to walk so far. I love Miss May. She is the sweetest person. And when I noticed that she couldn't walk real good because of her leg, I just went and found, I've never drove one of the carts in this plant, so I went and found one, and I was like, well, how hard can it be? So I went and I got it, and I figured out how to turn it on. I said, now this is gonna be like one of those Six Flags rides. You gotta keep your hands and your feet inside the car because we don't know if we're gonna hit something. But we've done good, and that's, it's been a daily routine. When I do come in and she's getting out of her car, I'll run in the plant, get the cart, and meet her at the door, and we'll go from there. You know, we look out for each other. Everyone here's my family. I mean, I consider them that. It's a good place to work. What you give into it is what you're going to get out of it. There's not many businesses out there that you get the compassion, the loyalty, the respect. It's work, it's hard work. Don't come in here expecting that it's not. Come in here with a positive attitude, learn as much as you can, and you know, the sky's the limit.